Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Positive feedback occurs when the output of a system actually increases the activity of that same system. We need to find an option where a hormone stimulates more hormone production. Looking at option D, we see that estrogen from the ovaries specifically stimulates the hypothalamus and anterior pituitary. This causes them to secrete even more GnRH, LH, and also FSH. This specific amplification characterizes the LH surge necessary for ovulation to occur. Since the response increases the original stimulus, option D is our clear. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust the given data and check your steps carefully.